Hey guys, and welcome to our new Froschko shawl tutorial. We're going to use today's shawl. This is a very nice quality yarn from Germany. This one is called Zauberball. You can translate it as magic ball. It is a gradient yarn made with merino and polyamide. And this is a unique dye, so every magic ball is a unique dye and there is a color gradient. And as the second color, I'm going to use Chapeau Admiral and this is Mars Green. So of course you can choose another color combination. Please find all the links in the video description below. I'm going to use a 3.5mm crochet hook. You will also need a tapestry needle, a marker, and scissors. Let's get started. So I'm going to unravel this yarn ball from the outside. It's actually the only way to unravel this yarn ball, otherwise you have to wind it onto a yarn winder if you want to have a cake first. Okay, so let's get started with the usual slip knot. For this, create a circle, put the long strand under the circle and pull the end through. You get a loop and then you can insert your hook through the loop and tighten. So there are different ways to start this shawl. Of course, you can make a magic loop. I'm going to use this time 2 chain stitches. So we chain 2 for this yarn over and pull through, yarn over and pull through. And for the height, we're going to need 1 more chain stitch because we are going to work with double crochets. So now we are going to crochet 7 double crochets through the first stitch here, and the double crochet works like this: yarn over, go through the first stitch with your hook, yarn over, pull up a loop, you have 3 loops on your hook, yarn over, pull through 2, you have 2 loops left, yarn over and pull through 2. And this is your double crochet. Okay, so we need 6 more through the same stitch here. So yarn over, through the stitch, pull up a loop, you have 3 loops, pull through 2 and pull through 2. Then we need 5 more. 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Okay, so that's our shawl base. For row 2, we're going to do a wrong double crochet. You can do a wrong double crochet or you can chain 2. So whatever suits you best, you can chain 2 or do a wrong double crochet. I'm going to do a wrong double crochet and it works like this. So you pull up a loop and it should be longer, and you hold this with your finger. You wrap the hook around your yarn, yarn over and pull up, still holding like this. Then you have 2 loops and yarn over and pull through, and then you can let go. And this is your wrong double crochet. So you have something like a double crochet at the beginning of a row. Yeah, it looks mostly better than 2 chain stitches or 3 or 3 chain stitches. Yeah, but you can chain 2 in this case. So now we're going to increase through the first 3 stitches. We're going to crochet 2 double crochets into each of the first 3 stitches. So yarn over and we're going through the first stitch. We're using post loops and we crochet 2 double crochet through the first stitch. We crochet 2 double crochet through the second stitch. And 2 double crochets through the third stitch. So the fourth stitch is our center stitch, and there we're going to crochet 3 double crochets. So you crochet 1, 2 and 3 double crochet through the same stitch. And now we're going to set a marker, and we have here 3 stitches in the center, and we're going to mark the center stitch like this. Okay, now we have 3 stitches left, and that means we have to increase the last 3 stitches, and we crochet also here 2 double crochets into each stitch. So 2 double crochets into the first of the 3, 2 double crochets into the second of the last 3 stitches, and 2 double crochets through the last stitch. So, and this is our row 1. For row 2, turn your work and chain your 2 stitches or do a wrong double crochet. I'm going to do the wrong double crochet. And then through the first stitch, crochet 2 double crochets. So our increase again. Then we increase also through the second and through the third, but from now on we are going to use the back loop only. So through the second stitch and only through the back loop. So we're not using both loops, we're going only through the back loop. We're going to crochet 2 double crochets, and also 2 double crochets through the back loop through the third stitch. So we continue to work through the back loop until the center stitch, and we're going to crochet 1 double crochet through each stitch until we reach the middle, the center stitch. So 1 more. So that's our center stitch, and we're going to crochet 3 double crochets through the back loop of the center stitch. So 1, 2 and 3, and then you continue to crochet 1 double crochet through each stitch until you have 3 stitches left, also through the back loop. Now we have 3 stitches left, and we crochet 2 double crochets through the first of the 3, 2 double crochets through the second of the 3, and 2 double crochets through the last stitch, but for the last stitch we're going to use both loops, okay? And then you crochet it this way. So that's row 2. For row 3 we're going to do the same, but first I'm going to move the marker. So we have here our 3 stitches on top, and I'm going to mark the center stitch to know where the center is. Okay, and for row 3 you start again by chaining your 2 stitches or the wrong double crochet, and then 2 double crochets through the first stitch, and from now on again work only through the back loop, 2 double crochets through the second stitch, and 2 double crochets through the third stitch, and then 1 double crochet through each stitch until you reach the center stitch. So at the center stitch we crochet 3 double crochets into 1 stitch, 2 and 3, and then you continue to crochet 1 double crochet into each stitch until we have 3 stitches left. Okay, and if you have 3 stitches left, we are going to crochet 2 double crochets through the first of the 3, 2 double crochets through the second of the 3, and 2 double crochets through the last stitch, but don't forget to use both loops. And that's row 3.